There's something that I sometimes call whistle frequency. It starts here. It's very hard to hear. It takes some time to pick these out, but it makes you feel like the vocal is stressed or like it's like nasty, but you can't really put your finger on why. And so it's a complicated auditory sensation, if I may say so. But to me, you can knock these out sometimes. It helps. So let me show what I did with this guy here. You see it's very, very steep. And I'm going to solo both the vocals here for a moment, but I'm also going to solo this band because you know really, really hear this kind of whistle. Let's do this for a moment. You hear that? That's very, very piercing, and that's what's triggering this EQ. If I take it out, look at this again, you know, it's hard to hear, but it's definitely there. Listen to it for once. Yeah, like a whistle or needle. And let me put it in now. So overall, that smooths out a little bit. These little extra pieces that get at your ear and make you think the vocal is too harsh. And there's another one right here, actually, at the very end of this. Check it without.
Get it right now.
Right now.
Get it right now.
We don't want that. Check it out with this.
Get it right now.
You see it counteracting that. It helps the vocal be a little bit smoother while we can still be bright. And here's the funny part. Now that I did that, actually, it sounds again a little bit too dark. A little bit, you know. Let me put it back in the track.
If I cannot get it right now.
A tiny bit more here of the 5 because I can. There.
If I cannot get it right now, I don't want it, I don't want it, I don't want it at all. I don't want it, I don't want it, I don't want it at all.
But that sits pretty well. I'll play one more time from the top. Oh, actually, no. Just give you these couple of lines here without everything we've done.
I want all my clothes designer. Ooh, I want someone else to buy them.
Okay, and with everything we've done.
I want all my clothes designer. Ooh, I want someone else to buy them.
And you see that's closer, kind of like hovers around the top a little bit more. The vocals don't get lost, the syllables don't get lost, and the presentation of the vocal is more like, okay, sing to me.